Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a natural orange scented vinegar household cleaner. All you're going to need for this is a jar, some oranges and some white vinegar. It's really easy to make this household cleaner. Peel your oranges and place them into a clean jar. Next, fill the jar with white vinegar, making sure the peels are completely covered, and seal the jar tightly. Label your jar, including the date, and let it sit in a cool, dark place for about 2 weeks. Give it a shake every few days to help release the oils from the peels.
A few moments later.
After 2 weeks, strain the liquid into a spray bottle. Your orange scented vinegar is ready to use as a natural cleaner. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and share with your friends and family, and spread the word about using natural products. Please also subscribe to my channel where I'll show you how to make lots of other natural products. You can also check out some of my other videos where I'll show you how to make natural shampoo, natural hair oil and natural deodorant. Thank you for watching.